You are going to love the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, convertible soft top, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.